Hi, I'm John from KwikStairs. I just want to run through a few details about KwikStairs, how it works, your space available to you, and also how to measure a finished floor to finished floor measurement. Okay, so this on our little model here is our finished floor. This is our floorboard effectively, and this is our finished floor here. So basically and simply, you take a vertical measurement, and that is exactly 1800 millimeters. So that is our finished floor to finished floor measurement. All staircases work from this. In our brochure, we have finished floor to finished floor measurements and how many treads you need. So in our case, we're 1800, 1781 to 1980, 9 treads. That's how many we need for our little model here. But I want to show you this, 2641 to 2860, 13 treads. This, between these two measurements, that's your most common floor to floor, is in that space somewhere. Your floor to floor will probably be amongst there. And the reason we've done that is because all the staircases in this brochure, and there's about 700-800 of them, they're all based on a 13 tread staircase, and that is within those two measurements. So our floor to floor here is 1800 mil. We need 9 treads. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 is your finished floor. Now, if you want a straight flight, we know what our finished floor measurement is. What we need to know is how big our staircase is. So if we're looking at a straight flight, for instance, we have an A measurement, okay? Our B measurement in this case on a straight flight is just the width of staircase. So that has no difference, makes no difference to our A measurement. So in this case, our A is 2950 millimeters. So if this is our finished floor, and assuming it's the normal height, we need 2950 space at the bottom. Obviously we haven't got this, but that's what you need. And you measure along the floor. You never do angle measurements. It's always vertical or horizontal measurements. So that's the straight flight. Now, if you want a single winder, and that's what this is, what we've got this little mock-up here. This is a single winder. If we look at this graphic, this time, not only do we have an A measurement, we have a B measurement. So if we make this design staircase, our A measurement is 1912 and we're making it 900 mil wide. Our B measurement is 2167. If we made it 650 mil wide, the stairs become smaller. So it's now 1662 by 1917. Now our A and our B measurement, we know our A on a straight flight. So now this is our A measurement and that is our B measurement. So in our case, we've got a staircase. I know we've got one in, but assuming it's going to go round that corner, I've got a straight flight here. I've got to allow a space when you get off your staircase, so which has got to be equal to the width. So that's 900 mil wide. I need a 900 mil space to exit my staircase from. So that is the amount of A measurement maximum I can go to. So my A measurement now is 2.5. So maximum 2.5 on my A, and my B measurement is simply from the corner to your double trimmer on site. So this is replicating our double trimmer here. So I go 1450. So I know my A measurement is 2.5, my B measurement is 1450, and my finished floor to finished floor. And from those 3 details, you can calculate how big your stairs are going to be. Now, if you want a double winding staircase, there becomes a C measurement. Again, A, B, this time it's a C. So our A measurement is 1667 if we make it 900 wide, and we're making it this design. This has got 3 treads in front of the double winder here, but I'll show you in a second. There's many different versions, based on this design. Our A is 1667, our B is 1864, and our C is 1677. So this time we have an A, B and a C. So let's assume we're coming up here, we're going along here, and then we exit up there. This then is our A measurement. So this is our A. Now we've got loads of space here. So A, keep it as a maximum as we can. B, we have to go between these two walls. So we take a measurement in between these two walls. And this becomes our B measurement. Okay, 3660, sorry. So that's our B measurement. And our C measurement we already know is 1450. So now, knowing those three measurements, we go through the catalogue and look at what fit and what fits and what widths that fit our space. Don't forget, if you're doing your main flight, you need to stick to 850 or 900 mil wide. If you go into a loft and you've only got one room up there, there's a different regulation. But check with your building inspector, because there are different regulations for different jobs. And we also have a helpline. You can call us on the helpline, we'll help you. If you tell us all the details, give us your A, B and C's or measurements and your floor to floor, we can calculate it all for you. If you want to do this and you're making, for example, this as a single winding staircase, you simply buy a straight flight kit, which will do the straight flight sections of your staircase, and then a winder kit, either right hand or left hand, and it's always as you go up your stairs. So in this case, it's just one straight flight kit, which will do that, and a right hand winder box.